In this video, I will show how to convert comma separated list of data into column. So firstly, select your column and your data. Then click on data and here click on text column. Now here select delimited. Here you can see the preview. Then click on next. Here you can select delimiters. In our case it's comma, so select it. Then next. Now click here and select the column where you want to add. So I want to add in this 4 column. Then click on finish. So this is the way guys you can convert your comma separated list in Excel. Thanks for watching.